Hi guys, it is so hot still, but I thought I'd film a video that's a bit different. Again, I'm not a beauty YouTuber or whatever, but I wanted to do a lemon inspired makeup look. I've been loving the colour yellow a lot recently, and I got this cute lemon skirt in my recent haul, so I thought I'd throw something together, like an eye look that would kind of go with the skirt, and it's kind of like yellow and lemon inspired, so I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first of all I'm going to prime my lids with this NYX HD eye primer stuff. It's like a stick and it looks kind of like this. Okay, so once you've put it all over your lid, it looks a mess now, just wait for it to kind of dry before adding on any shadow or anything. Okay, so once the eye primer, like the base is dry, which is good, it's great for if you need like a bright makeup look for it to like really show through and it to last all day. I'm going to grab my Colourpop palette and use like this colour, as any kind of colour like this will do, which is kind of like whitey beigey, because it has a really good base just to brighten up the yellow, because I find that this yellow colour is hard to like for it to be pigmented, so I feel like it really needs as much base as it can get. So I'm just going to grab that colour and put it all over my lid. Okay, then once that's done, my necklace keeps falling off, it's really annoying. Okay, now I've got this kind of like NYX yellow colour that I just got like this on its own for a couple of quid to try it out, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Okay, once you've got yellow all over your lid, it should look something like this. Okay, so now we're going to grab this NYX Mochi Palette again, as I love the sparkly colours, and we're going to be grabbing this kind of aqua mermaidy green colour that I love. Okay, so you're just going to grab the green and then put it in the corner of your eye like so. Okay, and then once you've got the green, it should look something like this. Okay, now I'm going to grab this yellow colour from the palette and put it like kind of like this swooped across the front of the lid. The sun keeps going in and out, so the light's going to keep changing. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I don't think I want eyeliner on with this look, but you should end up with something that looks kind of like this. Really bright yellow and a really pretty green colour. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on, and think we'll leave out the eyeliner because I think I really like how bright it is. So. And I think actually I'm going to take some of the green with a small brush, put it underneath the lid. And now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter and lipstick, but I think the eye look's pretty much done. I hadn't practiced this eye look before, so yeah, I just winged it. I was like, these look like lemony colours, so let's just see how this goes. So we're going to put this Colourpop highlighter on, and I'm going to put it down my nose and here. And here. I just do a C shape. I think other people do a C shape. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips with the Urban Decay colour Liar. And put on the Sephora shade. I don't know what it's called. It's the Sephora shade. Oh, Rouge Brilliance Shine or something. And it's kind of like glittery. It's a really cute kind of nudie, pinky colour. And then I'm going to put some highlighter here as well, just like on my lip bridge, lip bow. Just like that. And then that is the finished makeup look. It's really quick and simple. It's just a couple of colours from the Mochi palette really, and I use a yellow undertone to just make sure the colours came up brighter. And a base colour as well to make everything come up brighter. But if you've got like a brighter yellow anyway, you could probably like miss the base tone steps, but this is the finished look. And I've got an outfit to show you to go with the look, so I hope you enjoy my lemon outfit. Thanks for watching guys. It's so hot. I'm gonna like take all this off and have a shower and edit something. I hope you enjoyed this kind of lemon inspired look video, and I'll see you soon. Probably the next videos you'll probably see are some Rome vlogs, so I hope you enjoy those and I'll see you soon. Bye guys!